I wanted to share how messy I am. Ohayou gozaimasu. Go desu. I just woke up. It's Saturday. The reason why I'm recording this is that I wanted to record the moment that I move into other city in Mexico. So I'm working for a Japanese company in Aguascalientes, but we have a branch in Queretaro. So my company will send me to Queretaro to work there. So I'm moving to a little bigger city in a week. I'm still in Aguascalientes, and I live in a huge house by myself. Everything is kind of dirty and old. Water pressure is bad. I had a lot of cockroaches. I had a lot of water leaks when it rained, so I didn't like the place, but yeah, I enjoyed the life in Aguascalientes. I will film the messy house. It's messy because I took out everything out to pack in a box. So yeah, it's the worst moment to record the house, but I wanted to share how messy I am. This is entrance door. This is gated community, kinda old. And I drive Nissan. This is entrance. Wow. And this is the boxes that I got from mover company yesterday. Scotch tape. So messy. This is Galafon that I get water from. I get it from OXXO, like once a week. Mirror, fan, Apple Watch, TV that I don't watch. This is a table where I put everything on. That was sofa, chair. This is the table that I edit or eat on. So messy. This is laundry hangers. This is the kitchen. So messy. I took out everything to pack, so it looks more messy. I will take you to the upstairs. Bathroom. This is like closet room. Is this like normal messiness? I wanted to know how messy you are. This is empty room that I have never used. Another bathroom and closet. This is my bedroom. It's also messy. Just stop here. when it rains, water comes from the top of the door. Always like a waterfall. This is another bathroom that I don't use because if I use, I have to clean closet getting empty. I should bring that to the downstairs. Empty. Everything to downstairs. So messy. Gosh. Yes, so I'm ready to pack.